Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to cancel your ChatGPT paid subscription. So let's get started. So first thing, just come to the home interface of ChatGPT, and to the bottom you will be having the profile icon. They have moved it to bottom. Previously it was over here, and here you need to click on settings, and we'll be having the subscription option over here. Select that, and you are having the manage option over here, and you will be also having the expiry date. Just select this and you can click on this cancel subscription, and that's it. Your plus subscription will be cancelled, and you can just click on cancel subscription. That's it. That's pretty much it. Your plan will be cancelled on Jan 10. This is basically how you cancel, and if you want to upgrade or renew, you can do that. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools, as well as ChatGPT and Sora, CRUD operations and APIs. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.